Welcome friends to my YouTube channel KSG Engineering. Today we are going to discuss how to find variance and standard deviation for an individual series. If you find this video useful for you, then please support me by subscribing to my channel and please do hit the like button and post your valuable comments. So let us start this video now. So we are taking one problem over here. We are given an individual series and we want to learn how to find variance and standard deviation for this given individual series. So if you see carefully over here, you will find that in this series there are 6 values. So in this video we want to learn how to find variance first. So this is the formula of variance. It is denoted as s square here, and this is equal to summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1, where n denotes the number of values in the given series. So right now we have 6 values in this given series. It means n value for this formula is 6. X denotes the individual value of this series, and x bar is the mean of this series. So now let us see how to find variance. First of all, we will label this series over here in the first column in increasing order. So all the 6 values are written here. Then we will take summation of this series. So the sum of this series is 180. Now look over here in this formula. First of all, we will calculate mean for this series. So how to find mean? We know that we have sum of this series. If we divide the sum of the series by the total values of this series, then we will get the mean. That means x bar will be equal to 180 divided by 6. So the mean of this series is 30. So after finding mean, we will find this value, that is x minus x bar. So for that we will use the second column, and let us label the heading of this column as x minus x bar. Now let us understand what is the meaning of this x minus x bar. Over here x denotes the value of the series. So first value of the series is 5. So over here x bar denotes the mean which we have calculated for this series. So for the first cell of this column, we will write x minus x bar as 5, that is the first value of the series, minus the mean value. So that is 5 minus 30 is equal to minus 25. So we will get answer as minus 25 for the first cell of this series. Similarly, we will calculate the value of x minus x bar for the other values of the series. So that means in the next cell of the second column we will write 15 minus 30, so that will be equal to minus 15. Then in the third cell we will write 25 minus mean 30, so value will be minus 5. Similarly, we will get 5, 15 and 25 as the value of x minus x bar for the last cell. So we have calculated this value of the formula. This value of n we know it is 6. Now next what we have to do, we have to take square of this value for all the cells. That means in the third column we will write x minus x bar whole square. So what we are going to do, we are taking square of this value. So that will be equal to 625. Square of this value will be 225. Similarly 25, 25, 225, 625. Then we will do the summation of this column. Look over here, the formula says take summation. So take summation of this column. So that will be equal to 1750. Now we are ready with all the values. We just have to put those values in this formula to find the variance. So the variance will be equal to 1750, that is summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. N is 6 minus 1. So we are getting variance as 350. Now next we want to find out the standard deviation of this given individual series. Now we know that the formula of standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. So we just have to take the square root of the value of the variance calculated in this step. So that is square root of 350. So standard deviation for this particular series is 18.71. I hope how to find variance and standard deviation for the given individual series is clear to you with this example. Thanks for watching this video. Please do hit the like button and post your valuable comments.